Autovol is it's one of a kind today in the United States. It's the only fully automated robotic manufacturing company in the country. It's got 66 robots, and it's got about 260 people, right? And the robots work for the people, right? And it takes the heavy lifting off people, puts it on machines, which lets people work longer, takes care of their health better, their physical better, all those different things, and gives them the time to take their intellect and put it in different areas in the company. And
not to mention robots don't sleep, so they can just
robots don't sleep, and they're precise. Right, you get the precision every time. It's not once. And if you've ever been out in the construction world, you know what the weight of the tools are that you have to carry. And any human, when you're doing that all day long, you can't be as exact as what you'd like to be because it's physically challenging.
Factory-built homes years ago, to me, weren't good enough. There was some companies that just built the walls, and then they stack the walls on the truck. They bring them in, crane in the walls, tie it all together, then stick frame the roof, bring in the trusses, stick frame the interior walls. There's some that build modular design, say 12 by 20, put it on a trailer, bring it in, crane in that one piece, crane in the next piece. Do you do all of this, or which way do you do it?
We're a volumetric builder, right, for the company. And so we build a six-sided box, so to speak, right? And we do all the interior finishes to where it's ready to go to complete. They've got appliances in it. Everything's done, wiring, plumbing, HVAC. It's all complete inside that module, right? And that's what we call them. We call them modules, right? And so our company really focuses on affordable housing because we think that's where the need's the greatest. Cut the costs, make some less expensive, and build it in 40% of the time that it takes to build sticks.
So I'm reading that when you guys bring it in, it's 80% complete.
Yes.
And all you have is the last 20%.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So you are really building the box.
Yes.
Putting it on a trailer, bringing it in, craning it in, attaching the boxes together based on square footage. And I've always said over the years, we should be building houses not to exceed 1,000 square feet, because we really don't need 10,000, 5,000 square feet. We should be building smarter. And if you want, just based on 1,000 square feet, which is easy to build indoors, is that you can do a flat roof and have a livable space on the roof, a usable space on the roof. So there's ways we can change this concept and still have a great footprint and save on the environment, save on the energy consumption. So far, I'm really intrigued, okay? So to be 80% finished. Do you do plug and play when you box it together?
We do.
Okay.
Right. So really what we do is our particular buildings, we've built 5-story multifamily apartment buildings, right, all over the western United States. We're not a single family housing builder. We chose to focus on density, right, and going up. Right. And so those boxes are totally complete on the interior. All your services are run out to the corridors. And so when you get on site, all your services coming in the building go straight into the corridors, hooked to each one of those units. And as soon as that's attached, you can flip on the lights and it's finished on the interior.
This is finely thought out. I mean, exceptionally, finely thought out.
Yes.
So these little things. Now, how do you help the environment? Now, I'm going to look at this and say, just really, you try to not travel too far, but you do, right? Like, how far do you service?
We have an 800-mile radius.
800-mile radius.
Right. And that's just really because manufacturing is different than in typical construction because they're not contractors, you're employees.
Right.
Right. And so they have to be taken care of 12 months out of the year, because they're raising families, right? And so an 800-mile radius, what that gives you the opportunity to do is different markets, right? Because in 800 miles, one market may be suffering while another market's growing. And so it gives you the versatility to pull off all those markets to continually run a manufacturing plant without shutting it down.
It's a full-time business.
Full-time.